Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can copy location link in Google Maps. Well, it is very easy. So first of all, you need to open Google Maps, and just like this, here you can see I am in the particular location just like this, and from here you can pin any location that you want to copy the link of. So for example, I'm going to pin this particular museum right here, so I'm going to tap on it, and here you can see I have now successfully pinned it. So in order to copy this specific location in Google Map, here we have multiple different options of directions, tickets, and everything. And on the top here, you can see a share icon right here. All you need to do is tap on it, and then you can simply tap on the option copy just like this. And now we have successfully copied the location link of this particular location. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to simply open my notes for now. And in here, I'm simply going to paste it just like this. And here you can see this was the particular location that we copied earlier. So if you simply tap on this link, we'll get back to the same exact location. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.